Welcome to the Reparenting Guide channel. Leo, the radiant heart, the radiant soul of the Zodiac. Leo energy shines with creativity, generosity, and a natural gift for inspiring others. You are here to express yourself fully and to light up the world with your presence. And beloved, as you listen, remember, this isn't just for your sun sign. Your moon sign reveals the emotional heartbeat that fuels your confidence, and your rising sign shapes the way your light is received in the world. You may find those videos just as illuminating and affirming. Childhood wound example. If you were a Leo child, you may have naturally drawn attention, whether by performing in the living room, telling elaborate stories, or simply walking into a room like it was your stage. But maybe that attention was not always kind or supportive. Perhaps your creativity was dismissed, your need for recognition was labeled as showing off, or your successes were met with indifference. Some Leo children learn to hide their light to avoid jealousy or criticism, while others overperformed in hopes of finally getting the approval they craved. And yes, beloved, if you ever put on a dramatic play for the family and realized halfway through that no one was paying attention, you probably felt it in your little lion heart for years afterward. Safe reparenting in adulthood. Reparenting your Leo self means giving yourself the applause, encouragement, and validation you should have received in childhood. It's about reminding your inner child that their self-expression is not a burden, it's a gift. You say to them, your light is beautiful. You don't have to dim it for anyone, and you don't have to earn love by performing. I love you simply for being you. In adulthood, this might look like surrounding yourself with people who celebrate your wins. Here are 3 reparenting practices for Leo. Number 1, self-applause ritual. At the end of each day, name 3 things you did well, no matter how small, and actually applaud yourself. 2, creative playtime. Set aside time each week to create something purely for fun. Paint, write, dance, or sing with no audience in mind. 3, celebration buddy. Choose a friend or loved one to exchange small win updates with each week, so your joy is shared and mirrored back to you. And here is an affirmation for your inner Leo child. Repeat after me. I love your light, and I will always celebrate you for who you are. Beloved Leo, your energy was born to shine, to inspire, and to love boldly. If your light was dimmed in childhood, you may have learned to either hide your brilliance or chase approval at the expense of your own joy. Reparenting your Leo self means becoming the steady, loving audience that cheers for you no matter what. When you honor your light, your inner child feels safe to shine again, not just because they must, but because they want to. Remember to watch your rising sign and moon sign videos as well. Together they create the whole story to reparenting yourself through the Zodiac. And if you enjoyed this video and you love spiritual content about reparenting your inner child, please consider subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever a new video is released. Your healing journey matters, beloved, and I'm honored to walk it with you. Namaste.